Hello, welcome to Artificial Intelligence Hub. Today I'm going to tell you how to draw a pie chart using matplotlib. So let's start. I have made a pie chart.py file using Spider. So I'm going to import matplotlib. So let's dive into the code. First of all, I'm going to import plotlib.py plot as plt. So make sure the spellings are correct. So let me run. Is it? Yeah, it's tall. So now I'm making the slice labels are slice 1, slice 0 up to I'm just making 4 slices of the data. Slice 1 and then slice 2, and the last one is I'm making slice 3 of the dog. Let me put bracket here, make a space here so it will be more readable font. So after that I'm going to precise the size of each chart, each slice. So first of all making 30, 15, 30, 45, and the last one I'm making it 10. So after that now exploit the second slice. So for that plot exploit add some random values. I'm just adding our values here 0, 0.1 and 0, and last one is 0, 4 values. And after that fig 1 and axis 1 is equal to making a subplot here. So subplot is like sub subplots. This is the function. So I'm going to make it ax1 dot py. So I'm calling the py function of matplotlib, passing the values, size which we have described early. So s is capital, and exploit make sure the spelling are correct. So I'm just copying this one and paste here. So last one, the labels are equal to labels. So let me check the spelling. Label. So labels are equal to, I'm making this one like labels, so that are plural, and so labels. So yes, I think it's correct. Let me, yep. After that, this auto is equal to, it will show some percentage at the above of the plot. So 1.1 f and percentage is like this one, and after that shadow is equal to true, make the shadow true, and start angle is equal to 90. So I have run this one, I got error, so I have made mistake here. This block is not end here, this function is, so we have to end here. So you can see that let me complete this one, and we will run after completion. So I'm just writing here equal, so after that plt dot show. So now we going to run this one, so got an error here. So let me check why we are facing that error. So make sure the spellings are correct, and I'm passing this correct data here. So after some time I visualize that I have made a wrong spelling here, so let me correct it and run it now. So yeah, you can see that here this time it's working, and here is the over pie chart using matplotlib, and you can draw it's an easy, so you can draw it. And thank you so much for watching this, and please like and subscribe my channel. I will be upload more videos related to artificial intelligence like deep learning, computer vision, OpenCV, machine learning especially, and NLP also. And thank you so much.